Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nermin. I'm a PhD student in nutrition and dietetics. In today's video, we are gonna talk about estrogen and muscle relationship. Most of women during perimenopause notice that their body has changed. Even they eat the same food, do the same activities, and nothing has changed in their life. But unfortunately, their muscle gets weaker and weaker. And as a result of that, they start blaming themselves. That's not your fault. There is a biological story, and in today's video, I'm gonna explain the whole story from beginning to the end. And when this video is over, you will understand your body in a way that most of people, even doctors, never explain. So let's get started. There is something that most of you don't know, that your muscles are not just sitting there doing nothing. Every day, every hour, even when you sleep, two things are happening simultaneously, building and breaking down. We have names for these two processes. Muscle protein synthesis, this is building crew. Muscle protein breakdown, this is demolition crew. And someone might ask me why breakdown happens. What's the point of it? Your muscle proteins are not permanent. They wear out, get damaged, and malfunction over time. And a damaged protein doesn't just stop working, it interferes with other proteins around it. So here is the demolition crew job is to identify expired and damaged protein and removes it. It is as same as your skin renews itself periodically, preventing the skin from piling up and causing infections. Also, breaking down is so vital for recycling. The mission crew breaks down protein into amino acids. Amino acids are the raw materials of building. Also, amino acids are one of construction for man triggers. So when construction for man gets activated, it gives the order to muscle protein synthesis to keep building. So the demolition is the foundation of construction. So now let's give you an example. A 20-year-old woman who never goes to the gym, why she doesn't lose muscle like menopausal women? Because she has balanced hormones working for her 24/7. And those hormones are estrogen. It slows down the demolition crew. It absorbs its chop and controls it. Also, another hormone is the growth hormone. And estrogen is the accelerator of growth hormone. It helps the brain release it. And once the growth hormone is released, it goes to the liver. And when the liver reads the signal, it produces another hormone, which is insulin-like growth factor 1. And this hormone activates construction for man. And once it activated, it tells the muscle keep building. But how do all these signals turn into a real muscle? Inside every muscle cell, there is a molecule called construction for man, and its job to listen to all these signals that are coming from everywhere, such as estrogen, growth muscle, exercise, and food. And when it listens to these signals, it gets activated and it gives the order to muscle protein synthesis to keep building. So, estrogen doesn't build muscle directly. Exercise doesn't build muscle directly. They send signals and construction for man follows through. So, what happens at menopause? During menopause, when estrogen drops, the demolition crew speeds up. So, muscle protein breakdown gets faster and the building signal weakens. So, when estrogen drops, growth hormone drops, and as a result of that, insulin like growth factor 1 drops as well. So construction for man becomes less sensitive and construction crew slows down. So even you eat same food, do same activities, your muscle shrinks because your body becomes resistant to signals that are used to trigger building. So that's why most of our women say, I didn't change anything, but my body has completely changed. So now let's recap this video by giving you a scenario with 4 different women. A young woman, no exercise. Her balanced hormones keep building and break down balanced. So the result is muscle maintained. A young woman with exercise, her balanced hormones plus exercise activate contraction for man powerfully. So the result is muscle growth. Menopausal women no exercise, no hormonal support. So contraction for man barely responds and breakdown wins. The result is muscle shrinks. Menopausal women with exercise. Exercise directly activates the contraction for man. No estrogen needed. Also, exercise reduces inflammation that was driving for breakdown because estrogen is an anti-inflammatory shield, and when it's a drop, exercise compensates for lost estrogen. So the result is muscle maintained or grown. We reached the end of our today's video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something new. And if you like it, please give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any suggestions for upcoming videos, please leave a comment down below and see you in my next video.